Ever wonder how lightning actually starts? New research is shedding light on this electrifying mystery. Inside thunderclouds, powerful electric fields speed up electrons, creating a shocking stream of X-rays, electrons, and high-energy photons. These energetic particles then spark a giant lightning bolt, a dazzling, powerful discharge that lights up the sky. This breakthrough theory not only explains lightning, but hints at new sources of X-ray radiation, expanding our understanding of nature. So next time you see a lightning flash, remember the incredible electron dance behind the scenes. Pretty amazing, right?